Hi family and friends, let me show you how I make my loaded tater tots. Hi family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole. Welcome back. Thank you all my old subscribers. Thank you guys for tuning in there with me, and also my new subscribers. I appreciate the love. So as you see from the title, tonight is something simple for dinner, quick and easy. And I'm going to make loaded tater tots. And what I'm going to put in it, my version, I had this at a restaurant and I am doing it, based on what I ate, what I saw in it. So I'm gonna redo it my way. Probably I'm missing some things, but I'm gonna do the best I can. All right, crazy me. So I have a 5-pound bag here of tater tots. I might not use the whole thing, and these are seasoned. I have some restaurant style salsa here, and it look like that, and the back look like that. I hope this is not too mashed out. I still want some clumps. Oh, you have one is chunky and one is restaurant style. I'm gonna need some olives here, and we got these olives. We're gonna need some sour cream. We're gonna use some cheese, some melted cheese. Okay, and also, okay, I'm back. And then also some green onion. And the meat that I'll be using, the rest is ground beef. And we're going to get started. Now my oven is preheated right now at 450. I'm going to cook the tater tots by the recipe on the bag. Hold on. Okay, family, so my oven is preheated. I'm gonna cook these tater tots by the instruction on the bag, and it says do not overcook. A full tray, which is 8 cups, serve 12, preheat oven at 450, arrange tater tots and bake for 29 to 33 minutes. Okay, that's a long. Okay, so it should be done by 8 because it's 7:30. I am running behind tonight. Get a spoon because this bag. Oh, no, you don't. So this is going into the oven preheated at 450 for 29 to 33 minutes because I want them to have that crunch. Frying could be better, but while this is in the oven, I'll get everything prepped. So I'm going to put this in. Okay, you guys saw me cut up the green onion. I'm just reading this because we've never had eat olives in our house. It's just water distilled in red wine vinegar, salt, sea salt, olives, and like lactic acid. As you can see right there, if you focus. Okay, so I know my kids won't eat it. Oh, I know my kids won't eat it. Let me try one. I always wanted to try olives with, what is it, cheese stuffed in the middle? But you know what these remind me of? I can eat this like this. Boiled peanuts. That's exactly what it tastes like. Boiled peanuts. Okay, let me see if I have the refrigerator after opening. Yep. All right. I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys over the brown and the ground beef. And I have 2 things of ground beef, about 3 pounds, 80/20. That's all I mess with. I don't get technical when it comes to, 70/30, 70, what is it, 70/30, 90/10. I just do it 80/20. That is it. 20% fat, 80% lean. Now that's out of the way. Let's see, because my kids are waiting on dinner. I have 13 minutes left on my tater tots. Ooh, they smell so good. Okay, so let me give this a little piece of meat to see what's going on with the pan. Y'all see me throw that in there? Let me see what's going on with it. Alright, he do. Y'all season your meat. Can't wash these, but just these. Okay, family, so I am back. Let's get this thing seasoned, okay? Because it ain't looking like how I want it. I'm going to need some paprika. Don't ask me how much this is. Empty not the whole thing. Empty the, not the clip. Empty not the whole thing. I'm going to go in with some black pepper, about a teaspoon and a half, 2 teaspoons. Yeah, him. And then I'm going to go in with some, I have beef. Y'all, I need to use my beef bouillon. I do not use it. Just going to go with this much. And then that's it. I'm going to sprinkle some salt, but don't come for me when I do what I'm about to do. Add some water to it, baby. This thing got to get cooked. I don't care. This is what I do. Don't come for me. That's it. Yes, I did it. I add water to my ground beef just so it can get cooked. That's it. Add a little water. It ain't gonna hurt you. It's cooking it. Yes, I do. Please do not come for me. I send for y'all to eat, but I won't send for y'all to come for me. Okay? You don't want none of this. All right, so I'm gonna let that go for about 5 minutes. Pour that water off. Put it back on the stove. Taste it. If I want to add some more seasoning to it, I do that. My tater tots has 6 minutes and 52 seconds, and I'm ready. So I'll be back in a moment. The water and everything off my ground beef and rinse it off with water. I am weird. I know. Let me taste it. Just a little bit of salt. And I add some oil to the bottom of my pan. And my tater tots are almost 9 seconds. You guys can probably see it on the oven. All done. I'm just adding some chicken bouillon to this. Give it a little bit more seasoning. Okay. So let me take the tater tots out. They're nice and crunchy. They look like popcorn chicken. My son is a mess. He said they look like popcorn. Now, you're going to do this. You have to be careful because it's very hot. Okay? Okay, let me get you a bowl. You want to taste one? You just like your sister. Probably hot. Be careful. I told you it's hot.
Oh, these look like
Oh, God, Keisha. Okay. Let me open up everything, guys. Give me a second. They're hash. Oh, they're. But they call them tater tots. This is how the restaurant style look in the middle. Under the plastic, not in the middle. Oh, Lord. Oh, and this is the chunky. The chunky is more liquidy. The chunky is more liquidy. You can see that. All right, hold on, son. I gotta warm the cheese sauce up. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, family and friends, here you have it, my loaded tater tots. You can see cilantro and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and always, please don't forget to protect yourself and your loved ones. And until next time, please be safe. Bye.